Hi friends, I'm back again. I'm Nutan from ND Life Coaching, and today I'm here to give you tips on how do you have a great career, growth in your career. That's what I'm interested in. I'm a career coach and I love to see people grow in their career. Why? Because work is such an important aspect of our life. We give so much time there. And if that is where you're not satisfied, you're not happy, you're not growing, you're not excited, then every area of your life gets affected. And that is why I feel it's so important to really be focused in your career. Now, when I say career, every year, what is the most exciting thing or the most exciting day for you? It's the day that you're going to get promoted. We all put in our 365 days of sincere efforts with that one thing in mind, that at the end, the company will recognize me and will give me promotion for all the work that I've done. Isn't that true? Then let's try and find out, how do you get a promotion in a company? The first important thing, we are expecting rewards from the company, right? So what do I need to do? I need to take the company's benefits always in mind when I'm working. Many a times we forget that. We get personally biased. We do things which is without consideration. It becomes about emotions and people, and we tend to ignore some benefits of the company. What do you mean by that? It means being sincere and honest while you're raising your bills. It means putting in hard work when you're there. It means not wasting time. Every minute that you waste, you're actually getting paid for something which you didn't work for, right? And there are people who keep you distracted. So really take care that how are you going to benefit the company? How through your presence your company will grow? How you will enhance the profitability of the company? Time saved of employees, efficiency of employee adds to the profitability of the company. So the first aspect is about looking at the company's benefit. Second is being proactive at your work. What do you mean by proactive? Reaching out and helping people on your own so that the entire team gets benefit, the company gets benefited. Don't wait for people to come and tell you that this is your role and this is what you should be doing. If you're so dedicated and focused and not looking around and not helping people, then you're not that person who's going to be ranking on the higher 1, 2, 3 list on the promotion. So be proactive, be a problem solver, reach out to people, see how you can help them. That is the second important thing that you need to do while you want to get a promotion. The third and the most key element when you want to get a promotion is, how have you really delivered at your work front? Have you really given in your best? Were you the best amongst all your team members? And not only you were best, but you were good at communication. Believe me friends, I have seen people who are sincere, dedicated, who give in their best, but they're not good at communication. And they lose out on this opportunity when it comes to promotion list, because not everyone will speak about them. So more and more you develop yourself, you develop your communication skills, you're good in maintaining relations with everyone. That is the key to promotion. Not only with your boss, but with your colleagues, your boss's boss, even the smallest little person, anyone. When people speak about you, they should share, yeah, that she's really wonderful, she's very helpful, she's very sincere, she's very dedicated. How does it happen? That happens when you reach out to people and talk to them. Make them a part of your life, make them a part of your work. You know, many a times we are so devoted and dedicated to our work that we don't notice people around. So dear friend, communication is the key. Not only doing your work, but communicating that to your boss also is a part of the communication skill. There are times when you'll have to tell no to some things which are not so relevant or not so important, and prioritize your work. Many a times people get stuck there because they don't know how to say a no. But believe me, it's not about telling a no. It's about how to tell a no that matters. If you put it in the right way, then there'll be no one who will have a problem with that. So dear friends, communication skill is the third important element in getting a promotion. So I'll repeat this once again. First, be proactive at your work. Be really resourceful. Reach out to people for help. Don't wait for people to come and tell you this is what you need to do. Second is, always remember, you have to think about the company benefit. If the company grows, If the company isn't profitable, if the numbers are growing every year, the revenue is growing, naturally they'll want to distribute it in your employees. So remember that the company benefits, you benefit. And third, communication skill is very important. Not only do a good job, but also ensure that people know that you're doing a good job. And that is not to just talk, but really deliver. And also know how to say a no to things which are not that relevant, not that important. That is how you'll be able to deliver your best at work, and you will be among the top 1, 2, 3 when the list of promotion is decided in your company. Please try these tips and let me know whether it helped you. Thank you very much for listening to me. I'm Nutan from ND Life Coaching, only interested in your growth, in your career front, and that you are happy in life. Thank you very much, guys. See you the next time.